What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to clean silver jewelry. So, here's everything you'll need. This includes 3 ceramic or glass bowls, aluminum foil, baking soda, salt, paper towels, and a microfiber cloth. Oh, and you'll also need hot water and room temperature water. You can use a kettle or a microwave. I used a microwave. And you'll also need, of course, your tarnished silver. To start, we need to set up our cleaning bowl. Now absolutely make sure that your bowls are either ceramic or glass, because a metal bowl will make a different chemical reaction and a plastic one will just be too chaotic. So stay away from those and make sure your bowls are ceramic or glass. Anyway, you can start by laying the foil shiny side up. Make sure the bowl is covered. You don't want any water getting in there. It'll be a hassle to clean up later. Then fill it with hot water. Now we're gonna add our baking soda and salt. There's no real measurements, so just measure with your heart or your brain, whichever you trust more. I trust neither, so I'm just guessing right now. You wanna have just about a teaspoon of salt to every few tablespoons of baking soda though. Next, we need to set up our wash bowl. So we're just gonna fill our second bowl with room temperature water and set it aside. Now comes the hard part, cleaning off the tarnish. What you're gonna do is gently rub the silver on the foil while gently scrubbing it with the baking soda mixture. If your jewelry has any stones like mine does, you wanna be extra careful not to scrub the stones against the foil too much. It will make the stones look dull and scratched. This process will create a chemical reaction to loosen most of the tarnish though. After a few minutes of scrubbing, go ahead and rinse your jewelry in the wash bowl. You're going to need to repeat steps 3 and 4 until most of the tarnish has been removed. Oh, and you're going to need to add more baking soda as needed to maintain a paste at the bottom. You don't want everything to be dissolved. You can also use the end of a paper towel to scrub within the deep grooves of your jewelry if needed. Once you're starting to see some serious progress, we can move on to part 2. In a third dry bowl, make a thick paste with just baking soda and a little bit of water. Now use the paste to scrub at the jewelry to remove the harder to get tarnish. This will get nicely in between all of the grooves. You'll need to make more baking soda paste once it looks visibly dirty or it starts to get too runny, and then rinse and repeat frequently until all of the tarnish is removed from your silver. Once you're satisfied with your work, rinse one final time and pat dry with a paper towel. Then you can rub it dry with the microfiber cloth to get all of the moisture out of any deep grooves. The microfiber will remove any of the lint from the paper towels and make sure that your jewelry doesn't have any more imperfections to it. When cleaning up, make sure to throw everything away in the trash can and not pour anything down the sink. It's just better for the environment that way. And voila, your silver looks good as new. I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you next time.